The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.